Hello everybody, Mrs Nolan here. Hope you're all feeling okay. Right, we're going to have some fun doing some counting now. Don't forget to do a little bit of counting every day before you do your learn it and your calculations. And let's warm up with a bit of fun first, okay? Why don't you go onto YouTube and find Jack Hartman counting to 50 forwards and backwards. Either use the link at the top of this page or go onto the website where you will find all the links for all our maths this week and you can go through it that way. Come back to me when you're ready. Right, you all warmed up. Did you have some fun? Now we're going to count in ones from 29 to 43 now. Don't forget, you should be able to count in ones from any number, forwards and backwards. So we're going to start at 29, finish at 43. Are you ready? 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Did you remember to stop? Well done. Now we're going to count backwards now. I want you to count backwards from 31 to 10. Are you ready? 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Did you remember to stop? Well done. Now don't forget to practice that during this week, and if you can do it without me, that would be really, really good. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to go on to our Maths Playground 100 square now. We are going to be counting in 2s to 50, 5s to 100 and 10s to 120. And then after that we're going to be counting in 10s down the columns looking for the patterns. So do it with me now, but then I'd like you to go onto the website and have a go all by yourself, okay? So let's go onto our website, and here we are, our interactive number chart. First challenge was to count in 2s, wasn't it? Count in 2s to 50. So we're going to highlight them orange. We're going to count the multiples of 2 up to 50. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. There we are, we've highlighted the multiples of 2. We've counted in 2s. We've counted in 2s along the even numbers. The 2s column, the 4s column, the 6s column, the 8s column, and the 10s column. Let's reset it. Now our next challenge was to count in 5s, wasn't it? All the way up to 100. Are we ready? We're counting our multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, oops, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we've counted multiples of 5, we've counted down, got the 5s column highlighted, and we've got the 10s column highlighted, haven't we? Don't forget to practice those two things all by yourself later. Right, let's reset it. Now we needed to count in 10s, the multiples of 10 down to 120. So we're going to need to go onto that chart, aren't we? So we're counting down the 10s column all the way to 120. Let's turn them pink for a change. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Let's say them in 110, 210 way. Are you ready? 1 10s, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s, 11 10s, 12 10s, 100, 110, 120. Now the next challenge was to count down 1 or 2 of the other columns. We'll only just do 1 now, and then you go on and do lots more later. Let's count down the 3s column. We haven't had that highlighted today, have we? Are you ready? We're counting in 10s, starting from 3. We're counting down the 3s column. Are you ready? 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, 113. Now you carry on doing that either now or later. And our next challenge is to count in 100s. Don't forget we've got counting in hundreds songs on YouTube as well, so you could have a go at that and then you could count out some of these hundreds with me. Are you ready? I don't think I'll go up to 1,000 today. I wonder if you could write down the number that I stop on. You ready to count in hundreds? How many did I move? Can you write it down? Let's count them. 100, 200, 300, 400, oops, 500, 600, 700, 800. That one wanted to get away, didn't it? There we are, we'll put him back up there. Right, now we're going to write down some two-digit numbers. And just like last time, can you partition them and draw me what the number is made out of? Now the first number I want you to write down is 23. I want you to partition it and I want you to draw what it's made out of. Come back to me when you're ready. Are you ready? Okay, 23. 23 is written like that. 23. 23 is made out of a 20 and a 3. That 2 is worth 2 tens. There we are. 2 tens. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3. 23. The next number I want you to write down is 41. Write it down, partition it, and draw what it is made out of. 41. Off you go. Come back to me when you're ready. Okay, 41 is made out of a 40 and a 1. 41. There we are, our 40 and our 1. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 is worth 4 tens. And there's our 1, 41. The next number I want you to write down is 94. That's a big one, 94. So you're going to write it down, you are going to partition it, and you are going to draw what it is made out of. Okay, come back to me when you're ready. Ready? 94. 94. 94. It's made out of a 90 and a 4. And how many tens? Well, 9, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 94. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, now let's use what we know about our two-digit numbers to put these in order of size, from the smallest to the largest. So we're going to have a look and see how many tens each number has got. Well, we've got 21, 43, 12, 34 and 23. Can you write down those in order of size, starting with the smallest and ending with the largest? Come back to me when you're ready. You ready? Well, 12 is the smallest. Did you get that right? It's only got 1 10. Then we've got 21 and we've got 23. They've both got 2 tens. So 21, well, 1 is smaller. 23, the 3 is larger. So we're going to have 21 next, and we're going to have 23. Did you notice that those are the same digits, just in a different order? Now what we're going to have next? We've got 43 and we've got 34. Oh, look, those digits are the same as well. They're just in a different order. But that one's got 3 tens, and that one's got 4 tens. So we'll have that one next. And we'll have that one last. So we've got 1 10, 2 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 12, 21, 23, 34 and 43. How did you do on that? Now for practicing this, I've got a website for you. It's on Top Marks. It's ordering and sequencing, caterpillar ordering. And this will be really good to help you put your numbers back in order and have lots of good fun as well. When you go onto it, you'll find there's lots of different activities as well. You don't just have to put those two-digit numbers in order. You could work on smaller numbers if you're not very confident on them yet. 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 20 first, then 1 to 100 like I've just shown you, and then you've got 100, 0 to 100 in tens as well. These ones are a little bit beyond you at the moment. So I'm going to go on the website just to show you what it will look like. We'll just go onto Caterpillar Ordering, there we are. And when you bring it up, you'll find there's an ordering section, like I've just shown you, but there's also a sequencing section for counting in ones, counting even numbers, counting in twos, counting in multiples, counting in steps. So there's lots and lots and lots of things that are really good for you to do on this website. We'll start off with our counting, with our ordering, 1 to 100, and there you are. That's the one that we've just been looking at on the lesson part of the video. So we'd start off at 1, we would put 12 there, we would put 30 there, we would put 55 there, we would put 18, we'd get 89 and put it up there, and then we'd just check, and I got it right, because I got them all in order of size. So, I'd like you to have a bit of fun doing that game, and some of the other things that we've been doing on here, and do a little bit of it every day, and then we'll go on to our learners. Okay? Bye! See you later!